Welcome to Serenity Vale Outdoors. Something exciting happened to me this week. I was minding my business and
A few moments later.
I ended up with a tree frog. How cute! Look at him. His name is Piccolo, and I can't wait to get to know him better. He's so adorable. But first, I am going to have to start with getting him a terrarium all set up. For my white tree frog, I got a 20-gallon high tank so he'll have plenty of room to climb around. This will be a nice and easy setup for Piccolo. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I decided to add various isopods to the terrarium just so that can help with the breakdown of waste, and the frog can sometimes also see them as a snack. As you can see, I decided to put down some leaf litter, and then on top of that, I'm going to sprinkle some moss and put some patches of moss that I can spray real good. This will help keep the humidity levels of the terrarium at a nice percentage. Next up, I decided to add an escape-proof feeder bowl that I'll put some mealworms in to get Piccolo started, and then I have some crickets that he can also eat later. Okay, we have the water added and the mealworms. It is time to add Piccolo. I know he's excited and ready to explore. Let's have a look. Piccolo really seems to be enjoying his terrarium. I added his UVB light and his heating lamp to the top, and now I'm trying to see if he's going to eat a mealworm. However, he is being a little camera shy, and I think he wants some private time. So I am going to let him be. Tune in next time for another Piccolo video. And once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.